Well, this is the Root River Trail. I'm leaving Whalen, the Cedar Valley Resort. And I am on a quest to find deers. Last night I came through and found 10 deer on the trail. So we'll see what tonight brings. This is when they're out. Now or just a little later. It's about, 7 o'clock in the evening. Beautiful day. It's in the mid 70s, no wind. The trail is absolutely perfect. There's hardly a bump on this trail. It's that nice. I got one brake that's a little squealy. I don't know what is going on with it. I cleaned the brake discs and now I have off and on squealies. All right, I'm getting into deer territory here. Well, it's dark enough where my lights came on. They have a photo cell on them, so they come on automatically when it gets dark. Now yesterday, about right here, I ran up against 4 deer. And then 3 right after that, and then a couple singles. 10 deer altogether. So we'll see how we do today. Be my luck, there'll be nothing on camera. Uh-oh, biker. He scared the deers away, I bet. One thing you got to remember on these night rides like this, keep your mouth closed or you will be ingesting minute pieces of protein. So if you're in Minnesota, just above Iowa, the Iowa-Minnesota border, definitely stop in Preston or Harmony. The trail from Harmony to Preston is not part of the rail trail, so it's a little bit hilly, but really, really scenic. Cross some streams and different things. Got some hills that are quite hilly. But you can go from Harmony all the way to Houston. I believe that's about a close to 60 mile run maybe. Or you can go Preston to, Lanesboro, Whalen, Peterson, and then Rushford and Houston after that. But like I say, the trail is just so nice. And it's kind of a weird deal too. Now I know I'm going downhill because I'm following the river, but going the other way seems like you're going just as downhill. So it's fairly flat. 1% grade is about all it is. And they do a really good job of, clearing trees and making sure that if there's a storm that comes through, that they get everything straightened out. Because this trail is really important to the businesses. And like Whalen has a population of 67, and I think there's like 80 houses. and it's got a population of 67. I don't know how that works out. But during the summer, like Wayland and Lanesboro, they are really busy. Especially, Friday till Sunday, or Thursday till Sunday, really. So we're here from Sunday till Thursday, so there's not too many people around right now. And come Thursday, the places will fill up pretty good. Campgrounds will fill up, and the activity here will increase accordingly. Oh dear, right in front of me. There we go. All right, we have a successful deer encounter. 2 of them, 2 deer. Oh dear. Going right into the sun. At least for this little short stretch here, I think we're going to turn a little more south. Or we'll get more in tree cover. But when we're not in tree cover, we are looking right at the sun. Ooh. It's hard to see. I'm blinded by the light. I think that was a song that somebody sang at one time. Lots of cardinals here. There's an amazing number of birds here. It's just incredible. Got finches and woodpeckers and cardinals and little chickadee things, and there's also children's here. They're frolicking, I guess. But it's what children do.